Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you are a new subscriber, welcome. If you are just checking out my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe as well. Don't forget to like videos or leave comments and watch my videos, of course. So as you guys can see again, it's another video featuring the Brother Sewing Machine, the Brother CE1100PRW, and it says right here Project Runaway Limited Edition, and it also says computerized sewing and all these little details like I will show you guys in the previous video. So in this video we're gonna be doing how to change the press footer on the Brother Sewing Machine. Here is the regular one that I usually use, so I'm gonna remove it and show you how to insert again for like if it's not on. And here there's also more. This for button, you need to learn how to use this first though. And this is for this, okay, I think these two you mix them up for you to insert a button on your skirt, dress, anything you sew. If you're sewing something that you're gonna be putting buttons on, you have to use this too. And then there is this little mister here. This is the one for zipper right here. You use this when you are sewing a zipper. And there is this 3 more that I don't know what are they for, but I'm just gonna find out later on. So you guys have to stay tuned, and I'm gonna let you know how it work as well. So with that being said, let's just get into the switching up the press footer. You wanna see more? Yeah, if you wanna see more, stay tuned and let's move on. Okay guys, this is the straight press footer. Like this is what you use to sew any type of fabric, anything other than zippers and other things like hard stuff that you can sew on the machine. So for you to like insert, for you to put it, in order for you to put it, you have to like go to the sewing machine, of course, and you have to as you can see, this handle is up. You can put it up and down, so you have to put it up first, and then as long as it's up, you have to hold it again so that you can get enough space in here, down here, and then you just have to like slide use the regular press foot, and then you have to push it down. And I think you also have to over here there's a little side for you to make sure it's hold. Like you have to like, I don't know how to explain this, but to tie it up, like how people usually tie stuff up to make sure it's hold. And I think it happens. So you have to yeah, it's easy. All you gotta do, I know I messed it up, but it's all you have to do is just tie the little handle, and that's it. You will be done. It's like the same thing for all the press foot. Is that how you call it, press footer? Before you sew anything, you have to make sure the press foot is not moving, so you have a lot of things to do in order for you to like make it tight. And then after you do that, it's all done. Yeah, you can do the same thing as I did here through all of this all of these things that I have here. There is like a zipper foot and other zipper foot that you like you can get it. Mine came with the machine, of course, but I need to purchase more because sometimes things run out. So yeah, that's how you like switch up the you insert the zipper foot or press foot, of course, on a brother sewing machine. And I know this video I kind of messed things up, but if you want to see more of me switching things on the sewing machine, like controlling how I usually post the switch numbers and everything, leave a comment below and you're gonna let me know what you want to see next. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment on this video, and give it a big thumbs up for more. Stay tuned and thank you.